Welcome to Coding ABD. I am Shravan. Today we are going to learn the basic structure of a C program. Here is the diagram of a program. There is two sections, include files and the main function. The include file section, we have to use many types of header file like studio.h, math.h, Koino, etc. and we have to use according to our program. And the another section, main function, this is the main function of a program. It is just a set of statements. All the statements that belongs to main are enclosed within a pair of braces. And in this section we usually use variables, functions, etc. All things in here are the statements. If we see the structure of a program, here include.h is the preprocessor, and the studio.h is a header file. It is called also directive. Here is the main function, and between the curly brace all things are the statement of main function. And we have to use this sign to close every statement, and we have to use return value at the end of a program. We use return 0 because main function always returns an integer value. The integer value that we are returning is 0. Here is our program. We want to print or want to see the output, the hello world. When we run it by a compiler, we can see the result. Here is our output, hello world. We can do summation by C. This is a program. We declare some integer variable here. C has three primary data type like integer, float, and character. Here we use int, a, b, and sum. These are variable. You can use any name, but there are some rules. In our next class we will talk about it. And here we assign value for a and b variable. Our compiler will do summation with a and b and assign the value in sum. And this is our output function. Now we want to get the result. For that we use printf for getting output, and this is the output statement. We have to write it between the quotation, and this is the note. We have to use modulus d for printing the integer value, and we have to use this sign or semicolon to close every statement. This is for you. If you wish, you can do subtraction, multiplication, division by C. And in our next class we will talk about data types, scanf function, and we solve our problem which you face in this class. If you have any problem or submitting the assignments, you can submit here, or you can ask any question here. This is our Facebook page, Facebook group, blog site, and email. Thank you for being with us. See you guys.